Hi everyone, it's Emma from Houzz Pro, and in today's video we'll go through how to get started on the Houzz Pro takeoff tool. The first thing we recommend you do is set up your groups. This will allow you to get the sum total of measurements throughout the project. The rectangle tool allows you to measure the area of any space. Simply click, drag and release that click to lock in that measurement. The Polygon tool will also give you the area of a space. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change directions, and double-click to finish. The Polygon tool will give you the area of a non-symmetrical shape. The Length tool will give you the linear measurement, for example meters, of a space that you're after, and it works the same as the Polygon. Click to start, click to drop a marker, and double-click to finish. As you go, you'll see all of your measurements in the measurement section on the right-hand side. If you have them in groups, it will correspond and give you the tally totals. You can use the Count tool to count whatever items you need. Simply click on the count, select the count you're after, and click to drop a marker. The Count tool will tally into the top right-hand corner of your measurement section. Now you're ready to get started with your material takeoff. Thank you for watching.